Zach, it's Sunday.
Heavy snow continues for the next several hours. 3 to 6 inches of additional accumulations. 6 to 13 for your lows by morning. During the day tomorrow, it will gradually calm down. Clearing, quite cold temperatures from 14 in the western suburbs to 21 in northwest Indiana. And we will get to see some sunshine through the day. Here's your 7-day outlook. Snow showers develop on Tuesday. Little, if any, accumulation. But Tuesday night into Wednesday, I wouldn't be surprised if we see an inch or two of snow. Temperatures will moderate as we head towards next weekend. So one of the biggest snowstorms in Chicago history. We're not done yet. It is truly a mess.
All right, thanks, Phil. We'll be right back.
Apollo 11 moon landing. Sandy Sokolow was 86 years old. Still.
Okay, Zach. So we've had 14 inches of snow already, and here's what it looks like outside. I shoveled it twice already, and you can see. Well, you can't really see, but here's the cars. Now I cleaned off the Buick earlier today, and the Windstar I cleaned off the driver's side. You can see what's going on there. And I plowed this driveway once earlier today with the skid steer, and you can't really get a perspective of how high it is, but you can hear the snow blowers going in the other area. Look what it did to my Austrian pine. I think the top of it all snapped off. But you can see what it looks like out here, how much snow we've had. Well, here it is. Here's a pretty good idea right here. Look at the top of that tree. It's about 14 inches of snow. And they're saying we're going to get another 5 to 6 inches tonight. So you can get a real good idea as to how much snow we've had here in Chicago. You can see the roof. Wow. There's the roof of the house. And yesterday there was nothing out here. It was all gone. You can see the grass. There's the skid steer over there waiting to get fired up tomorrow morning. Not doing anything tonight. So this is what you missed. This is what's going on in Chicago on February 1st, 2014, and it's a Sunday. Streets haven't been plowed. It's a big mess out here in Chicago.